In this video, I want to show you how 2 spoons just at night will help you have perfect blood sugar levels during sleep and wake up with blood sugar levels under control. Whether you're diabetic, pre-diabetic, it doesn't matter. This video is very important. Pay close attention to what I'm going to tell you. I'm Patrick Rocha. I'm the founder of Tutor Rocha, which is the largest education and health portal on the internet. Like this video, put this link here in the WhatsApp groups, okay? To reach more people, check out Facebook and also Instagram, TikTok, and I have exclusive daily content there. So let's get straight to the point. Grab a notebook, a pen, and write down the ones I have to tell you that this will change your life. Just follow what I'm going to tell you in this video here. Come with me. Well, let's talk about apple cider vinegar, shall we? Apple cider vinegar is known to have so many health benefits and so many studies related to these benefits, such as controlling blood sugar levels. Apple cider vinegar does help to improve insulin sensitivity. This can be very beneficial for people who have type 2 diabetes or who have pre-diabetes. Some studies show that consuming apple cider vinegar before a meal, rich in carbohydrates, helps reduce blood sugar levels after the meal. Weight loss, right? Apple cider vinegar can help with weight loss. It can increase feelings of satiety and reduce the amount of food you need to consume at a meal. And besides, it can affect metabolism. It can help increase metabolism and burn fat. Now, it's important to remember that apple cider vinegar is not a miracle solution. There is no magic pill for weight loss or diabetes control. You have to combine it with a low-carb diet, combine it with a smart, high-fat diet, healthy. Another benefit is heart and cardiovascular health. Some studies carried out on animals show that there is a reduction in bad cholesterol levels, LDL small particles, and a decrease in triglycerides. But more research in this field is needed in humans to confirm these benefits, right? Antioxidant properties. Apple cider vinegar contains compounds that are antioxidants, such as chlorogenic acid. It is sensational. It helps a lot to protect cells against damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants play a very important role in overall health and can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It has antimicrobial properties as well. The acetic acid present in apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties, which means it can help kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi. For this reason, apple cider vinegar has been used as a natural cleaning agent and even as a disinfectant, its active ingredient. Now let's get to the main subject of the video, which is the subject that matters. How do you use apple cider vinegar to control blood glucose at night? Well, we know that there are millions of people who have problems with high blood sugar, not just in Brazil, all over the world. Diabetics, pre-diabetics, people with insulin resistance. And I want to talk now about something very important about apple cider vinegar. If you don't use it or haven't used it yet, you'll definitely want to use it after watching this video. You'll want to add it to what you eat. And it's interesting that even if you're not eating perfectly, correctly, smartly, there are things out there that can help you improve your blood sugar that go beyond just reducing carbohydrates, which is the most important thing. Of course, if we have results for the goal of controlling diabetes, nothing will replace smart eating, but apple cider vinegar will help. And look how interesting apple cider vinegar. It has a powerful anti-glycemic effect. Even if you are not following a low-carb diet 100% correctly, that is, it can help buffer the foods you eat to reduce the glycemic index, and insulin helps stabilize blood sugar levels. This will slightly reduce the impact on blood sugar levels. Now understand, okay? I'm not recommending you do this. I just want you to understand that you can, yes, use apple cider vinegar for your health, especially when you eat a portion of rice, for example, and also in salads that have healthier carbohydrates, but that you have to be careful with, like carrots, beets, yam, for example. And there are actually some very interesting studies, one of which showed that consuming vinegar before eating a sandwich, and in fact it was in capsules, apple cider vinegar capsules, reduced the glycemic index by 30%. Then when you eat a salad, if you add apple cider vinegar, look how interesting. If you add this vinegar to the salad, you will reduce the glycemic index overall by 31%, right? It's no small feat, and it's very interesting and will help you absorb less carbohydrates, helping to lower glucose, lower insulin, and this will automatically reduce fat in the liver and will help you lose weight, de-inflame your body, control diabetes. Not much, right? But a little helps. And everything that helps, everything that comes to help, I think is important to be mentioned, right? It even reduces hunger, right? Because apple cider vinegar has a satiating effect. Another reason you should add apple cider vinegar before your dinner, especially if you have a history of insulin resistance and have what we call the dawn phenomenon, which is much higher glucose in the morning when you wake up, it will help a lot in this sense. Even if you didn't consume a lot of carbohydrates the night before, your liver will end up producing more sugar. We call this gluconeogenesis. I'm going to show you now the most important thing of all, which is how to do this. Write it down. They're very simple. Just 2 level tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bed, adding it to your meal before bed, okay? Or you can put it in a glass of water, 200 ml, and squeeze a little lemon, okay? About 1 to 2 hours before bed. And what will happen is that you will wake up and your blood sugar will start to drop more and more, which is what every diabetic is looking for, right? Did you like the video? Did you like the tip? I hope you enjoyed. My reminder is let's spread health together. I'll stay here, but I'll wait for you in the members area, huh? And in the next video too. Big hug, and see you there.